So it was quite a summer, and I have quite the update for you. So let's do it. I'm going to take you through what that process looks like assembling the full sink cabinet, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. This is actually what this will look like when it's in here. It's not completely finished. I still need to put the spacer here. All right, so I just had to like wedge this wall up in order to keep this flush, because this wall was sinking down. So in order to prop it up, I just used some scrap wood and a wedge, and then I just drilled a pilot hole with countersink bit, and then I just drove a wood screw in there, and it's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how this is leveling up. All right, guys, so this is how I'm going to attach this final spreader on top, and I've already got it edge banded on the front side here, and right now I have it clamped so that it's nice and flush. And I have this special Craig clamp, so this is all held tightly. It's good. We are starting in on the bed project. Just been kind of figuring out the way it's gonna come together. Did a few different redesigns. So I'm actually doing a pull-out slat bed, and it will go right here. All right, got my helper today. This is my water tank. It's going to be right here. You know, that had a lot to do with the redesign to make sure that would fit. So I've designed it to go right over the wheel well. I've got this piece, watch out buddy, got this piece built, and I've just used the same pocket hole system that I've been using all along, and it's working out pretty well, I will say. Got both of the walls, sides mounted. I've added felt pieces to the bottoms of the pieces that are gonna be, you know, hitting the ground and sliding out. Now I've just mounted this rail to this side. So now you can see how this slider is gonna work. All right, guys, we have begun the long process of our slat bed here. And I am using this, I think it's like a molding piece, but it was 7/16, and I have somehow determined in using SketchUp that that is a good measurement for my particular dimension, 7/16. So I'm using these as the spacer between each slat. So many more to go. Let's hope this works. Okay, we are well underway on the slat bed, but check this out. It's the first time I'm actually seeing it kind of starting to take shape. If you didn't understand what I was doing before, hopefully you do now. Let me show you what we got. I'm so getting excited. Okay, here we go. Woo! Bed, slat bed, done. Done, done, done. We'll have to get this situated, but as you can see, it's there. There it is. Okay, so as you can see, there has been several updates. It's been a busy summer. I tried to capture as much as I could of the update. I also did a lot with the roof deck, which is coming soon. I'm doing a whole video just on the roof project, so stay tuned for that. Another thing I wanted to show you is my desk. So here is kind of a nice look at how you can see everything starting to come together. This bottom part will be fastened. I have some outlets to still install on the back side here, but this will just screw onto the front like that. The top part here actually opens up, just like the upper cabinets, with a nice extended cupboard here for tripod, light stands, other kind of gear that can fit underneath my desk. A little sneak peek on the toilet drawer. We'll get into that once it's more installed. It's just kind of sitting there right now. Slider drawer that's not fully installed yet, but I'm already utilizing it. And there's a good look at the sink cabinet. Again, I'm already starting to utilize some of these just for now. Frameless and handleless design. Got the push to open magnet / door catch there. And there you go. It is definitely coming along. Still have quite a bit to get done in here, but it's starting to come together and I'm very excited. Thanks for waiting, and we are good. I have put away some savings, thankfully, and this guy just turned 7. We had a little birthday party last night here, so that was fun. And yeah, so a lot of wiring to do, a lot of the final installation of things. I'm getting my cushions made currently, more finishing touches to come, and I will be showing you guys the progress as we go. So make sure you're subscribed if you're not, for more build videos and travel videos to come. And Hit that like button if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.